All right, guys, welcome to my first tech review, which is odd. I know I do a lot of finance and tech and IT stuff, but I do a lot of coding as well. But I am a tech guy, so I do like tech, and I like making my space very techified. I'm gonna call it techified. Is that a thing? Let me know. But I'm at the point of revamping my area, as you can see. Revamping it. I've been redoing it, changing my theme up a little bit because I like stock market stuff. Obviously, if you can tell, the RGB and the bull versus bear stuff here. I got to the point where I need a monitor light, and I know a lot of people, it's like a huge controversy, right? Monitor lights, right? It's either you love them or you hate them. Me, actually was on the fence for them for a long time. Everybody talks about the BenQ one, BenQ this, BenQ that. It's also like $150. So trying to do my office area on a kind of a budget. So I did a research for about, I don't know, 3-4 days, kind of looking around and seeing what's out there. And I kept hearing good reviews about the Quntis Monitor Light, and which is what I have right now on my monitor behind me. And I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty epic, pretty freaking epic. I like it, and I'm not gonna lie, I fell off the side of the fence where I'm leaning towards I love the monitor light, because I work in the dark a lot, because I work down here in my area, and sometimes my kids will come down and play, or they'll want to watch a movie on the projector on the other side of the room over here. But so I turn all the lights off, so I work in the dark a lot, and this thing has been awesome. So the Quntis Monitor Light is pretty badass, and we're going to get into it. I'm going to go over all the specs and details, so walk with me, guys. I'm going to show you how we do it. Okay, let's do a deep dive into the Quntis remote control dual source light bar with remote control. And this is a wireless remote control, so just take some batteries, pop them in, and then you're good to go. Flicker free lighting, the CRI 95RA, which is amazing LEDs. It's got dual light source design, so it's got the light to shine down, and it also has the backlight for behind your monitor. And it's infinitely adjustable, meaning it has multiple shades, multiple tones and brightnesses. All right, let's flip this bad boy over and opened. Here we go. Okay, first things first, let's get these manuals out of here. What are those for anyways? As you can see, everything comes neatly packaged. I tend to like this stuff better than like the bubble wrap things. Anytime there's bubble wrap, it just seems cheap. That's just my opinion though. All right, so we got a charging cable, which is USB-A to Type-C. Here we got the stand, the mount, if you want to call it that. It has the weight for counterbalancing on the back of the monitor, and it has a little adhesive pad on it to help stick to the back. It doesn't actually adhere it, but it helps it stay in place. And as you can see, it is adjustable too. So you, depending on the monitor you have, if you have a curved or flat monitor, you can adjust the angle or whatever you want to do with it. And of course, it came with 3 amazing AA batteries. Not gonna lie, usually the ones that are packed in these kind of things don't last very long, but you can use them or switch them out. Okay, and here's my favorite part, the wireless controller. Now this is what I'm most excited about. It's got your power button, it's got your lock and unlock on the back side for the batteries, which is awesome. The construction seems really good. It's got a glass front with all the that's the backlight controller, brightness, the warmth, coolness. It feels like an aluminum build. It feels really good quality for the price. And here is the light bar itself, which, let's get everything moved out of the way so we can see what we're dealing with here. I can tell right away it feels really good. All right, so it is aluminum bodied. The backlight's got the LEDs on the front, which are really good LEDs. They're really good at rendering the lights in different colors. And here's the Type-C on the back, and then we have the backlighting too for the back of the monitor, which is an awesome accent. So here's everything it comes with. Stack it all up here, then we'll see what it looks like. Give it a few tests. Also, I gotta throw this out there. So I'm not sponsored by Quntis at all. This is just me. It's just a review for me. I bought this with my own money, and I was in the market for a monitor light anyways. So this is the one I chose after my research. So just throwing that out there. Although I would love to be sponsored by them. All right, guys. So do I recommend the Quntis Monitor Light? Absolutely. This thing is amazing. The build quality is awesome. The remote control, the wireless remote control, just super awesome. Very intuitive. Love it. I recommend it for anybody and everybody. Obviously, you have many options out there. This is the one I chose after doing my due diligence, my research. So if you guys want to pick it up, use the link down below and just let me know what you guys want to see next. All right. Thanks, guys.